add points to a new employee. I log into the administration backends and I go to customers and I add new. Put in your employee email, enter a password, put in the first name and last name. Hit save and continue. If I scroll down to the bottom, I'll see the administration tab. I'm going to check enforce points limits. If there's a manager that needs to approve this, I can go ahead and add the manager as well. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to the points limits. In this section, I can add a new limit and I can choose from an annual, monthly, weekly, or daily. So let's put this in as a 300 points monthly. I'm going to hit update and I'm going to hit save. Now when I come back out to the front ends, what the customer will see when they log in, or the employee, is they'll see their points right in the top menu. As they're navigating through the site, they're able to place orders. Everything is done in points. There's never any kind of pricing on here. I'm going to add to our cart. You can bypass this page or we can have them go through the checkout process. There's going to be no shipping associated. And you'll see in the final screen it's payment by points. So I'm going to hit continue, confirm my order, and you'll see my payment method is points and I've used 200 points. Once this order is confirmed, I'm going to come back out and I'm going to see that I have only 100 points remaining. So now I can go ahead and place an additional order, but my points is always updated.